morning everybody. Happy Tuesday to every one of you. Well, thanks a lot everyone for completing your work so beautifully yesterday and making Miss Reed and I sing at the top of our voices from our windows to our neighbours those jolly phonics songs. I will never be able to look at my neighbours in the same way again. We have a water themed day to get you in the mood for the prank later. You will be pleased to know that if you complete the work successfully today, you will unlock a prank for Miss McIntosh and Miss Reed to do. And let's just say it involves water. Would you like to hear what we will have to do? Okay, so if you do the work well today and send us a picture, we will have to pour a bucket of cold water over our heads and get completely soaked. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I'm hoping that we don't really have to do this prank because I am a bit worried about getting so wet. As I said, we've got a water theme today and it's kind of science day, which I know you love. So you have the choice of doing 2 experiments that involve water. You only have to choose one experiment. So let me show you the slides now. So you can try this experiment, which is the water in a plastic bag experiment. Basically, you need to pour water into a plastic bag and get some sharp pencils and put them through the bag. And your aim is to try to make the bag not leak. There is the experiment here, which you can click on. There's a link on the slide, so you can have a look at somebody else doing it. But I mean, I had a go doing the experiment myself, and I was impressed with the result. Let's just say that. So here is a scientist doing the experiment. So you can look at that. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. The second one, or the other one that you can try, is this experiment with water. It's called the rainbow tissue experiment. And these are the things that you will need. And you're using a piece of toilet roll, and you're putting the colours of the rainbow on there, and you are going to put that into a glass of water and see how the rainbow forms. So there's also a video here for you to look at. There was a link on the slide, so you can have a look at someone else trying the experiment. I can't wait to see what you come up with. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Now, to unlock the prank though, for the water in a plastic bag experiment, you need to send us a photograph of you doing this experiment and tell us how many pencils you managed to get through the bag without it leaking. But if you choose to do the rainbow tissue experiment, your challenge is to send us a photograph of you doing the experiment, tell us how many colours you managed to get in your rainbow, and we'd like you to get a ruler and measure how long in centimetres your rainbow became by the end of the experiment. So good luck, and we'll see what you come up with and if you unlock the prank for Miss Reed and I to do later. See you later.